Yes, hi everyone. Welcome back to Code with Frenzy. Yeah, and today we're going to learn how to create a Google campaign. Yeah, kindly subscribe to my channel. So, creating a Google campaign is a great way to reach your target audience and basically to drive traffic to your website. So, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Yeah. Go to the Google Apps and locate the Google Ads icon. Once you have located the Google Ads icon, it's going to lead you to this page. Click Start Now to get started. Yeah, once the page loads, you can click Campaign, Create New Campaign. Then you can see the objectives over there. So select the main objective because Google Campaign offers various objectives including sales, leads, website traffic, promotion, etc. So you have to select the appropriate option depending on the goal you want to achieve. Same applies to the Google type. Yeah, then ensure that you link it with your website. Yeah, so you can type the name of the website over there, then click continue. Then here you're going to put the campaign name. Ensure that the campaign name that you choose it's quite descriptive and it reflects the purpose of the Google campaign. Okay, here you're going to select the budget and bidding. So ensure that you set up your daily budget and bidding strategy. Remember to consider your budget constraints and the desired level of competition as well. Yeah, so after you put the budget, you're going to click next, and here you're going to select the target audience. For instance, I'll select Kenya. Yeah. Then you can as well enter the location that you want if it's not listed over there. You just type the name of the country and you select it. After you're done with the countries, then you select the languages depending on the countries that you've selected. Highly optimized words. So to find the correct or highly optimized words, you can visit Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner will generate for you the highly ranked words for your website. After you're done there, go to the headline section. Use the keywords as well for the headlines. They should be 1 to 30 words. Yes, as you can see, it's depending with the headlines that you're putting, they will determine the strength of the ad. So you can put as many headlines as you can. Then under this description window, you can describe what your website does. Use unique words that describes what your services are, what your products are. Yes, same to description. You can just put as many descriptions as you can. Then if you have any images or logo, you can add them down there. For me, I do not have any logo, so I will proceed with the process. Yeah, so you're going to repeat the process until until the ad strength is excellent. With that, you shall get the best results. Yeah, so click next. Then publish your campaign. Yeah, so this is the last step of the process. Just click next, then copy the Google tag, then proceed to your cPanel or where your website is. Login. So I will log into the cPanel first. Then locate the file manager. Yes, then locate the actual file that I want to change, that I want to put the Google tag on. Yes, ensure that you put Google tag at the header section of the file. Then you can test your connection. With my site, I think I mistyped. I have a typo on the domain name. I think that's why it's not detecting the website, but it's working correctly. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, when you go to the dashboard of your website, of your Google campaign, then locate the actual Google campaign, you can see that the Google campaign is under review, and after they always say it's 1 to 2 days, but it is going to take less than 2 to 3 hours or less, then it will be published. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. You can like, you can share, then you can comment, and maybe you can suggest on maybe any other video that you want me to do. Bye bye.